Hello everyone, welcome to Life Mantras. It's 19 June 2020 and it's my birthday. I really thank Almighty for blessing me with all I wanted in my life till date, and I am sure I will get whatever I want in future as well. If I look back and remember, I can definitely say that my every birthday was totally different than another. So if I remember, I try to recollect all the celebrations which I did. Like I can say, one of the birthday I did skydive. Wow, that was really amazing experience. I thoroughly enjoyed the moment, and that was like truly best experience. One of the birthday I did jet ski. So jet ski is also one of the thrilling experience, and I liked that experience as well. I really enjoyed it. Other birthday I did deep sea diving. That was really amazing. We all might have seen the deep sea diving video of Hrithik Roshan in one of the movie Zindagi Milegi Na Dobara. Oh wow, that experience was really amazing. When I was underwater, I could really count मेरी सांसें मैं गिन सकता था. So that was really amazing experience. So I can say that a moment also matters when we are underwater. Amazing. People should do that definitely. Whoever can and whenever possible, once in a life, these things should be done. One of the birthday, I did camping and desert safari in deep desert of UAE. So those were really remarkable and amazing birthdays. I can remember that other birthday I did some thrilling experience in Adventure HQ. That was like amazing, a long track which I had to complete it in a given time, and it was a lot of hurdles in between. So I thoroughly enjoyed that experience as well. So apart from this, I remember celebrating birthdays in a different way. One of my favorite celebration was when I did a food donation in labor camp in Dubai. So that was one of the best experience I could say. One of the other birthday which is very close to my heart is when I went to an orphanage that was dedicated only for girls, and I distributed some food and some other items to those girls. So taking the blessings by these people, people from labor camp and people from orphanage, really made me feel happy within. So there was another birthday which I celebrated with small children of Penta Kids Play School in my hometown. So that also really gave me a nice feeling. And I remember once I did blood donation on my birthday. So these kind of things and these kind of celebrations really make me feel happy. This year also is something different. As we all know, we all are stuck at our home due to this corona pandemic. The entire world is fighting with this pandemic, and I am celebrating my birthday at in the house. When I look back all my years till now, I really thank the Lord and the Creator Almighty for giving me whatever I wanted, and I am sure I will be getting whatever I want in future as well. What I look forward in coming year is a lot of happiness and success for everybody, and for myself also, of course. A lot of good health and prosperity for everyone, because we are going through a bad phase which we want to overcome. Let's hope from today onwards, slowly we all will get through this, whatever we all are going through. So I wish everyone really good health and prosperity, happiness and success for everyone, whoever is watching this video, and all my near and dear ones. Since today morning, I have been receiving so many calls from my family members. I had sat for long hours with my close family members for on a video call, and a lot of my close friends also called me, texted me on WhatsApp and social media. There were a lot of wishes on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as well. So I really want to thank everyone for all the love which everybody has given me till date, and I'm sure your love will be with me always and forever. This year birthday is definitely different, as I cannot go out and do the celebration. I cannot go partying in the restaurant and meet my friends also. But I am really happy that I am safe during this pandemic, and I wish everybody should be safe and sound. Doorbell has just rang, and my wife had gone to meet neighbors, and she is just come, I guess. So let me check and open the door for her. Hi.
Surprise!
Wow, what's that?
So that's a birthday gift for you.
Okay, I can see some parcel from Amazon.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so happy. I was not expecting this, definitely. So thank you so much. I'm excited to see what's in the box. So let's open this, guys. I'm excited. Okay, so I just wanna open it right now. So I'm really wanna see what's there inside, since it's Amazon. I wonder what's the gift you have got for me. Let's open it. Let me bring the scissors. Okay, so I've got the scissors, and I wanna see what's there inside. Okay, just tell me, when did you think of it? When did you get it? And since it's Corona, we are not supposed to touch the things which are coming from outside.
Don't worry. I've got this long pack actually. What I've planned is about 15 days before only.
Okay.
I got it also, and I've kept it with my one of my friends' home in a quarantine room.
Oh wow.
So yeah, so it was safe there, and we just touched it. So it's pretty safe. So don't worry.
Okay, so you're saying that it has arrived 15 days back, and it has been kept in quarantine room.
Yes, you
for
got it
15
right.
days? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So it is safe. Good, good. Thank you so much for a lot of thought being. Wow, it looks like it's a tripod. Wow, amazing.
You always wanted this, right?
Yeah, thank you so much. Lovely, nice. Oh, great. So, okay, okay. Amazing, amazing.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I really like it. I loved it because, guys, I can say that I have just started the YouTube channel, and I didn't have any tools like tripod or anything else. So maybe that's the thought behind this gift. Thank you so much. So that's a tripod from Amazon, and it's a mobile holder. Wow, I need to fix it and see it. Once it's done, I will make another video also. So now let's open the next box. What's there in the next box? What it could be? Already a tripod is there. So what else can be there? I am not sure. Something which I like. Okay, so there is some item from again Amazon. Lightweight mini tripod. Wow. So that's a tripod, and it's a mini tripod. It's written here. Let's see how the mini tripod looks. Okay. 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 It's quite funny, and supposed to be useful as well. Okay, that. Yeah, but nice thought. Oh wow, the legs get extended also, so it's not that mini. Okay, it's good one. So you can see, guys, this can be used like this. I can put my mobile here, and instead of holding in my hand, I can use the tripod to shoot. Wow, that's really nice. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Most welcome.
Okay, now what is next in the box? Okay, it's a bill, I guess. Okay, that part can be. That's a gift, so I don't have to worry about the bill. Okay, so now let's see the next item. What's there? There is something else, and it's a Boya microphone, micro reactive mic. Wow. Again, it's a handy tool for the YouTuber. A really great idea. Thanks a lot. Let me open it. I'm excited. I want to use it right now, but I cannot definitely, because I need to read the manual, do the setup and all. Yeah. Wow, it's lovely pouch, guys. And that's the mic. Okay. Slowly. Okay. Great. Wow. So this goes in mobile, and really long cable, and that's mic which I can pin it in my shirt or t-shirt. Wow, really thoughtful, and these are some other parts of it. Really wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I will start using it from my next video. I am really happy. This birthday again is a different celebration. Wow, though we didn't go out, but you got the things at home and with lot of proper precautions. Really, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Oh, welcome.
Okay, guys, so this is it. That's the birthday gift from my partner. I really liked it. You can also tell me how are the gifts in the comment section below. So guys, I had opened my birthday gifts and I am excited to show you as well. So the first one is the mic, which is very useful. You can see which is tucked in here, and the cable is going from my t-shirt inside and it's plugged here, another part, and it's cable which is connected to my shooting device. So that's really a helpful and nice device which I can use definitely. Now next one is this tripod, really a handy and really good, very lightweight tripod. So I am sure I will use it as much as I can, and that's the bag of the tripod. Now if I go for the next, that's the mini tripod which we can I will show you how to use it, which I can use it like this. My mobile is also placed here, so I can use for selfie mode. I can shoot the back videos as well, and I can do the motion videos by keeping it on the ground or any location wherever I want. So that's it guys for today. Thanks a lot. I want to say thank you so much to my life partner. Thanks a lot for thinking so much about me. Since I am a new YouTuber, she has thought a lot and gifted me this item. So really useful items. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much guys for being part of my birthday celebration. If you have enjoyed the video, please like the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy your life and keep smiling.